How to use your chat in TikTok PC. So here is how to use chats. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Google and or any preferred web browser, and in search address bar type down the tiktok.com and navigate to your TikTok and make sure that you are signed into your TikTok account. Now once in here, you can clearly see there is a message option available in the left hand side panel. Tap on the message and here you can see all your previous chats available. But if you want to chat someone new, then let me just take someone random. First of all, let's go to the For You page, and here if I want to chat this person, then let me just go to the profile and tap on the message icon available there and send the DM. So this is how the chat works in TikTok PC. So that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.